Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Monday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 5th of August 2024. US Dow Jones fell 1.51%, settling the day at 39,737.26 while Nasdaq ended the session at 16,776.16, falling 2.43%. In the Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 33,929.40 and Hang Seng is trading at 16,676.82. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,349.50, indicating a start with sharp cuts for the Indian market. FII sold 3,310 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. Bharat Coking Coal pays first ever 44 crore rupees dividend to Coal India. Bharti Airtel Q1 preview, revenue to increase 3.1% due to recovery in Africa and India business. Now talking about global aspects, the unemployment rate in the United States rose to 4.3% in July from 4.1% in the previous month. The US economy added 114k jobs in July, well below a downwardly revised 179k in June. WTI settled down 3.66% at $73.52 and the Brent settled down 3.41% to $76.81 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 102.83. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 3.75%, down. Here is a recap of Friday's trading session. Domestic benchmark indices faced significant selling pressure following a global sell-off, as disappointing US economic data raised concerns about a potential slowdown in the world's largest economy. The key index Sensex trimmed nearly 900 points, closing at 80,981.95, while the Nifty declined by 1.17%, ending the day at 24,717.70. The overall sectoral landscape remained negative, except for the pharma sector, which experienced minor gains. Outlook for the day. The Nifty index has formed a negative candle, closing the week in red, indicating a potential further downside move in the coming week after reaching a fresh all-time high. The next support level is at 24,500, and if this level breaks, we could move towards 24,200. On the resistance side, 24,900 is the immediate level to watch, and if the index moves above this, we could see a rise towards 25,200. The market structure appears weak, suggesting a sell-on rise approach for Monday. The Nifty Bank Index has also formed a negative candle, ending in the red for 4 consecutive weeks. This consistent downward trend indicates pressure on heavyweight stocks. The support level is at 51,000, and if this is breached, we could see a decline towards 50,500. On the upside, resistance is at 51,600, and if surpassed, the index could move towards 52,000. Overall, the market sentiment remains weak with a sideways to bearish outlook. Stocks on radar are Eicher Motor, Cummins, REC, OFSS, Maruti. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.